Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about Proquest Central Student Database. You can access the link in your student portal under resource links or in your applications portal. It's found in Rapid Identity and it has its own tile. Before we move on, I do want to point out if you get an authentication failed notice or if you get this message, you can still log in using the remote login information for all Proquest databases. The username is Selena's UHSD and the password is library spelled with a capital L, number 1, BR @RY exclamation mark. Central Student is designed to prepare students for college-level academics. As you can see, this database does not provide a guided research format. Instead, it's very similar to databases you'll find in public, college, and university libraries. It includes multidisciplinary databases for science, technology, education, social sciences, humanities, and news. Today, I'll demonstrate a basic and advanced search applying effective search strategies to narrow down the results. We'll begin with a basic search on the broad topic women's rights. As you can see, there are over 3 million results. Now let's narrow this down by adding effective search strategies. I added the Boolean and the other keyword sports to find information on Title IX, the topic of the week in Women's History Month. This search query returns over 1 million results. Here I added quotation marks to women's rights to force the search to find articles that will keep the two words together in a phrase. Notice how just by adding the quotation marks to women's rights, I've narrowed the results to 27,131. Now, if I want to search for more articles that also include the word discrimination, but I don't want to exclude articles that include the word discriminating, I will truncate the word discriminate by adding an asterisk at the end. See the example and the results? These articles include the words discrimination, discriminated, discriminatory, discriminating, all of which will make a difference in the results and the content of the articles. Remove the asterisk and change the word to discriminated. Notice the results. Add the Boolean operator and Title IX. Here are the results. By adding quotation marks to Title IX, I was able to narrow my results to 158. So you can see by applying effective search strategies, you can customize your search and narrow your results. Don't forget to apply the filters on the left. You could select a source type you're looking for. Just by selecting newspaper articles, I've narrowed that down to 44 results. Or if you're looking for articles that were published within a certain time frame, you can always adjust the date range. Explore and experiment with the rest of the filters on your own. Don't forget to create My Research account to save your articles and utilize the database tools to save, cite, email, print, and so much more. Now let's perform an advanced search in Proquest Central Student. In the first search bar, type in your keyword or phrase. To the right, use the drop-down menu that lets you select specific fields where the term will be searched for. Selecting any of these fields will make a difference in your search. Or you could leave it on the default anywhere. As you can see, it's similar to the basic search. There are over 3 million results. So go back to your advanced search, clear your form, click on Thesaurus. Use the Thesaurus to help you select a subject that is related to your topic. Sometimes it's just finding the right search terms to make a difference in your search. I typed in women's rights. These are the results for the women's search terms. I selected and as my Boolean. Click add to search. As you can see, it automatically populates in the first search bar, designating women's rights as the main subject. As you can see, that narrowed my results down to 7,713. Next, I will add the same keywords that I used to perform a basic search. It turns out I had less and more accurate results using the thesaurus to designate the main subject. On the advanced search page, don't forget to check out the search tips for more information on how to improve your search queries. Also, don't forget to limit your results to full-text articles, or if it's required by your teacher, select peer-reviewed articles to include the articles that have been written by the experts and reviewed by the experts. Narrow your search by date to find relevant articles for your topic. For example, if you're focusing on the history of the events, you would probably want to include articles that were dated at the onset of the issue. If you're looking for articles that are current, then adjust the time frame again to meet your criteria. Filter by source type, document type, and language to exclude any articles that don't fit your criteria. Again, here's a brief snapshot of the results and how we were able to narrow it down to 14. Okay, that's all. That was a quick overview on performing a basic and advanced search in Central Student. Please email me if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.